So we're gonna do a little trip, bring you guys with. Don't know where we're going, don't know what we're doing, but POV ride and probably some talking of absolutely fucking nothing valuable. Hopefully this bike starts first try. I've been having some issues. Beautiful. Road is fucking horrible. That Devon ride out video I done, it was nowhere near correct, and that really annoyed me when I was editing the video. But I'm glad you guys did enjoy what you could see of that video. When there is another Devon ride, I will make sure that my camera is 100% and that the angle is perfect for you guys. I've got a temperature light on, which... Alright, it's gone. I've still got issues with this bike. If anyone does actually know a fix for that temperature light on a Lexmoto, please let me know. I spent the last hour this morning just trying to bleed my radiator, because I have a feeling there's air stuck in the radiator. However, in order to bleed your radiator on a LS-Z, it is almost near impossible. There's no bleed screws and there's no radiator cap that you can take off to let air come out. So I'm lost on how the fuck I am supposed to bleed the air out. Was that worth it? Was that really worth it? Temp lights on again. I need that to go off. What are we f***ing doing? Oh, you can f***ing wait. You can wait. I'm finna do a little loop, bro. If anyone knows how to fix that, let me know in the comments, because I ain't got a clue. I don't actually know how to fix that, bro. Coolant's leaking. is closed as well. Felt my back tyre slip out there. Got a bit scared. It's alright day. Definitely a break from the storm inbred, whatever the f it was called. Got blue sky coming out, trying at least, but yeah, I haven't been out, I haven't rode this bike anywhere, mainly because we've had that storm, so I've been tucked away in the warmth, doing a bit of work here and there on the bike. That is just one issue that I need sorted. Like, it's a big issue that I just 100% need to get it sorted. But I've taken it, when it got serviced Monday, a few days ago, I asked them, like, the bike overheats, what's the issue? And they said they'd check it out. They checked it out. When I went and collected the bike, they said, yeah, there's no issue, mate. There's an issue. Why are you slamming your brakes on? So, don't know what the issue is, but there is an issue, and apparently no garage can find it. Whatever it is, definitely need it sorted. Yeah, it's back on again. Speed up and it goes away. But obviously, I can't always speed, so I need it sorted. Anyway, small little ride for you guys, just absolutely no destination whatsoever, but you know, I do want to do some videos of me, like a mini little vlog once this bike's sorted. Little ride, go check out the biker cafe. That just weren't worth it, mate. I've kind of just like forgotten about my horn and revving. I just put the thumbs up, mate. Just revving and using your horn ain't gonna do nothing anymore. Yeah, I want to check out bike cafe in Paynton, but I want this bike to be 100% good before I go and do that. Yeah, that's all the problem. No, certain that's not going to do that.